Hello dear viewers, there you can see phone in my hand. This model is Vivo Y18. This problem is OTG is not working. Now today I show you how to connect OTG, and I will also show today if your phone OTG not working, how to solve this problem if your phone OTG not working problem. If you want to connect OTG with Vivo Y18 phone, for this first you have to find the option called settings. When find settings, then you have to go to the option called settings. When go settings, you can see many options from here, and you scroll down, you can see an option called Bluetooth and devices. Go to the Bluetooth and devices and you can see OTG. You just turn it on this option OTG. When you turn it on this option OTG, solve your phone OTG not working problem. And I will also show today if you want to use mouse and pendrive in this phone, use OTG. You just put this OTG and pendrive connected to well, and you just put this OTG on your phone and wait few seconds. I can see my phone OTG is working properly. Scroll down, you can see an option explore and eject. You just click on it, explore. When you click on it, explore, you see your phone pendrive files. And if you want to use mouse now, you just put the mouse here and you can see your phone mouse is working.